Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to use ConvertKit step by step. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. Once logged in, complete your profile with details such as your name, website, and business information. In Grow section, click on Create a Form or Create a Landing Page. Customize the form or landing page with a title, description, and call to action for your email list. In Send section, click on Sequences and select New Sequence to create an automated email series. Add and customize emails in the sequence, setting time intervals between each message. In Send section, go to Broadcasts and create a new one-time email. Choose the email template, write your message, and select the segment or tags of subscribers to send it to. You can preview the email, schedule it for later, or send it immediately. Under Automations, click on New Automation and set a trigger, such as a new subscriber joining a list. You can create automated workflows based on actions, like sending a welcome email or tagging the subscriber. Automation allows you to build personalized subscriber journeys without manual intervention, helping you nurture relationships with your audience, improve engagement, and save time. You can also track and optimize these workflows to ensure they're delivering the best results. Check your performance in the Reports section. You can view stats such as open rates, click-through rates, and subscriber growth. In Automate section, go to App. Here you can use different apps like Zapier, Shopify, and more. By using these integrations, you can create more sophisticated and automated workflows, enhancing the efficiency and effectiveness of your marketing efforts. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.